Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn skull anatomy. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the main bones like the frontal, parietal, and temporal bones. Next, focus on identifying important features such as the foramen magnum and the various sutures. We will also cover efficient study methods to help you retain this complex information easily. This foundational knowledge is crucial for any deeper anatomical study. To truly master skull anatomy, hands-on learning is key. Utilize physical skull models to visualize structures in 3 dimensions, which is far more effective than 2-dimensional images alone. Regularly label blank diagrams of the skull, repeating this process until you can do it from memory. Additionally, create flashcards for each bone, landmark, and foramen to test your recall efficiently. There are many excellent resources available to assist your learning. Explore comprehensive online anatomy atlases and interactive apps that offer detailed views and quizzes. Educational videos can provide dynamic explanations and demonstrations of complex structures. Consider joining a study group. Discussing concepts and quizzing peers can solidify your understanding and highlight areas needing more attention. For a deeper understanding, try drawing the skull from various perspectives. This active recall method significantly boosts retention. Always connect anatomical structures to their functional roles in the body, understanding why each part exists. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for simplifying your meal prep, along with other great deals. This holistic approach will make your anatomy journey much more rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.